Today we have a video if you wanted to work on your Christmas embellishments or journal and the stuff isn't out in the stores yet. Maybe you might check your Christmas wrapping box at home and be able to make beautiful tags and journal pages. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I am working out of the leftover from Christmas last year box. So we are going to be using some boxes, these tags, maybe some bags, with more boxes, and sticker tags. So let's get right to it. So I thought we'd start with some tags, and I thought we'd use our box. Boxes are always a great source for tags because you already have, they're already a little bit thick. I've gotten them before at Dollar Tree at Christmas. I will post my Dollar Tree Christmas or Dollar Store Christmas Challenge and Dollar Store Christmas Tree Journal videos down below in the description box today. And so please do go take a look at those if you're interested. And so here we go. So just using scissors because I am working from a simple kit. This simple kit this time is what I can find in at my mom and dad's house. I'm still here. My dad has been transferred to a skilled nursing facility. So now I have to figure all of that out. So I'm just going to go ahead and come in, and I'm going to cut straight up this little line here because I, again, don't have my cutter with me. Okay, so this will give me a nice tag. It'll also give me some little tags. So here, going with this large tag. And then we can use the tags that my mom had that were in those books that we're using. And so I started seeing if I could peel the front off of this. And as long as I'm careful, it looks like this thick piece is going to come off. And why did I want to do that? I wanted to do that because there's actually two images, and I really would like to be able to use both images. Now, ideally, I would like to sew him on, and he still might end up getting some sewn on. I'm glue challenged at this point. So I'm going to use this here. Try not to get it on your card. Okay, so we are going to just go ahead, place him down. I got a lot on that edge. I mean, I am really challenged. There's no baby wipes right here. All the things that I am so used to. Okay, so there is that. And then maybe you might want to use some words. I did find this great set of stickers. And the really cool thing about these is they usually match and go together quite well. Ooh, I really like that. But I think we'll go with the ho 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 here. So we have a ho ho ho, and we're going to go ahead and just cut the edge off. I don't think I'm ready to put them on there yet. I think we need, I did bring a gold foil doily out of, I found a few other doilies. My mom had this giant bag of doilies, and I've already taken that to my house. But I did find one little gold one. that we can use here. And I found some gold thread also. So let's go ahead. We'll add the gold doily. I like to get the gold doilies from the bakery section at Michael's. I can get those all year round. So then we have this. And I have just this little piece of washi tape. So just adding a little collage here to the top. And then you have all this area that you can either add some lined paper to it for a journaling, or you can leave it as it is. So I did also find some bling. Bling, bling, bling. And since that is one of the things I'm using throughout this project, or this series at home on my desk, I have a bling. And then we have this one. So there we go. Now you can do things like add corners to it. You could round the corners. But this would be a very, very simple tag made from a box. So next, let's go to a bag. And so we have this adorable penguin bag. And you could just take and stick this down in your, on a page in your journal. Let's go ahead and grab this piece of the lace doily paper that I've been working with. I'm looking for just a paper. No such luck. Okay, so I'm thinking a couple of things that, well, one thing is to be able to use these pieces, these little bag holders pieces here, right here. There we go. We have our little penguin. And this. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut our bag. And I'm going to cut him. Remember, I like to use as much of items as I can. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to cut across the bottom. Cut across the bottom here. Oop, I went all the way across. Oh well. Okay, so we have this little piece, this little piece, and we have this little piece. Okay. Now, I would come in with some of that red ribbon that we have here somewhere and probably tie a bow right here. I have apparently put it somewhere. I'm not at my normal desk. Okay, what do we have? Looking for a side-by-side paper. So here we have a if we were to put this like this, okay, and then we'd still have the hot cappuccino punch recipe there, okay, and then how to put this on. Okay, so for this part, I'm going to go ahead, since it's paper to paper. Whoa. It is warm in this room. It's warm everywhere right now. We're having a heat wave. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with this double-sided tape, because I'm putting it onto glossy paper, and one of the things that I've discovered is your glossy tape works the best. Okay, so there, taking the bag apart, making a pocket that then you'll be able to put, say, your large tag into, and have another page ready for your journal. So this video was about, I don't have any Christmas, and they don't have very much at the stores for me to purchase right now. You can get the gold doilies in the baking section at Michael's and possibly some of the other stores. And then you might have a box where you keep your leftover tags and boxes and wrapping paper, and those can be made into great items to be able to use. So there you go. Another Christmas embellishment and page idea from Dear Julie Julie for the Christmas in July series. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, there are Christmas embellishment playlists down below, as well as the Dollar Tree videos down below. Christmas videos. Have an amazing day. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being here. Bye.